Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best eyelash curlers available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Kaasage Eyelash Curler. The eyelash curler will lift natural lashes for a soft curl and voluminous look. You must have eyelash curler kit because it's help you to create a perfect curl effortlessly in seconds. You can get the desired appearance of curled lashes to make your makeup perfect. The soft silicone pads aren't just a nice aesthetic touch. They can add firmness and ability to shape the lashes with minimal pressure. This eyelash curler comes with a beautiful gift-ready package and will make a perfect gift choice. At number 5 we have Revlon Eyelash Curler. It is designed by makeup professionals. This Revlon Lash Curler creates dramatic curled lashes quickly and easily. The eyelash curler's gentle rounded pad curls each hair without any crimping, pinching or sticking. You can create beautiful upswept lashes with or without mascara liner or eye makeup and without any painful tugging or pulling. It is designed with comfort in mind. The finger grips for a comfortable non-slip grip while curling your lashes. At number 4 we have COVERGIRL Eyelash Curler. The natural curve of this innovative COVERGIRL Lash Curler hugs your eyelid. That's creating a fierce and dramatic curl in just one stroke. The easy grip handle lets you confidently extend the perfect amount of pressure with comfort pads for extra protection. This eyelash curler makes it easy for you to get high-impact lashes in minutes. This curl lashes for an everyday look or curl from the base of your lash line for a more dramatic look. At number 3 we have Wet Eyelash Curler. This eyelash curler was designed with your comfort in mind. That's why it's fitted with cushioned soft grips that make it easy to use time and again. This specially made eyelash curler is designed to gently curl lashes without pinching the skin. You can curl your lashes quickly and with minimal effort. This reliable eyelash curler provides lash perfection in a single step. It is designed to work with any eye shape or size. This curler truly is one size fits all. At number 2 we have Kaasage Eyelash Curler. Kaasage Eyelash Curler focus on intense curling by easy clip. The soft silicone pads with perfect curve create strong surprised curl in seconds that last all day long. It is made of premium stainless steel, makes curler sturdy and durable. The arc and width of the eyelash curler's mouth have fully considered most of eye shapes. At number 1 we have tweezerman Eyelash Curler. The neon great grip eyelash curler is designed to create dramatically beautiful lashes. It comes with curler pad placed at base of lash line. Hold handles firmly and gently squeeze. You can hold for a few seconds then open curler slowly to release lashes. You can repeat up the length of lash from base to tip for an even more intense curl. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best eyelash curlers for your need.